Yeah. Blood can get it free. Outsiders pay a fee. How man stack that P? Keep it in the family. Versace on the beat. Must be in the jeans. 14th at the house. Can't be all for me.
Have you guys heard the news?
I have, but have they?
3MANUP are now on Patreon. And we want you guys to join the 3MANUP family.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna create a K-pop community like no other, and we want you guys to steer our journey.
Yes, sir. Hey, we're doing all in the K-pop community now.
Yeah, therefore.
Listen, we see your recommendations, but now we're just getting enough of them. So sign up to the Patreon if you want us to react to your recommendations, and that's a guarantee.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
You receive early access to all our videos and our exclusive content. Help us to grow by joining our Patreon family and join us early for a 50% off discount.
Yeah. Blood can get it free. Outsiders pay a fee. How man stack that P? Keep it in the family. Versace on the beat.